Nathan, and my name's Emily, and we're gonna be doing these short little videos with each like every time there's gonna be one each ongoing. So this is our first creation, then there's gonna be another one, then another one, then another one. So like about 4 of them, and then I'm not sure what we're gonna do after that. I'm not sure if we're gonna add more. Okay, so we're gonna put this in, and it's gonna do. We made this with Legos and dominoes and marbles. We can go. What? Cowl. Sorry, guys. So do that. Oh, I did. What? This time was like. No, I did it. Come on. Sorry, it kind of didn't work. The next video is when we're gonna have marble ones now instead of like all these Legos and dominoes and marbles. We're gonna do just all not dominoes, marbles next. Okay, bye.
Go.
Hi, it's us again. That's the beginning. Okay, and now it's starting with the stuff. Now watch closely. Can you open it up closer? Because also while you're watching this, our next video. Hi, it's us. So we're going to be showing you this marble video, and I guess not video because we already have a video, but we're still making one more. So what we did is, on our last video, we said that there's gonna the next 2 videos are going to be marbles, and now we're gonna show you this, but we want to take a few steps. Woo-hoo! Okay, come on, and take the phone for 2 seconds. Come on, Ethan. Want to say anything? Yes, close enough. Okay, we'll say something. Hi, my name is Ethan. You want to say that? Oh, I want to. Okay. And push it down. Come on, win. Mommy, I fall off. Just jump. I'm so glad because this is our last little video, and this is it. I know it looks the same, but it's different. And so we're gonna use this red marble, and this is our very first YouTube video that we made. So we're super glad because we're gonna put the videos together, and then we're gonna make the video. I wonder if you have, because we don't know you. Okay, so we're gonna I guess I'm not using this marble. We're gonna use this marble, and now I'm gonna just take that hold for a moment. So ready? Go. No.